Are you searching for the perfect car jump starter that truly stands out when it comes to quality, durability, and real value for your money? With so many options available in the market, it's often confusing to figure out which one is actually worth buying. That's where this video comes in. Today, I'll walk you through the top 5 best car jump starters, covering their key features, performance, durability. So, without any further delay, let's dive into the video.
So, let's get started.
The Noco Boost X GBX 155, a heavy-duty portable lithium jump starter built for drivers who need serious emergency power on the road, in the garage, or during outdoor trips. This jump starter delivers up to 4,250 amps, making it powerful enough to start gas engines up to 10.0 liters and diesel engines up to 8.0 liters, so it is a strong option for cars, trucks, RVs, tractors, vans, ATVs, UTVs, motorcycles, and even watercraft. One of the biggest highlights is Noco's UltraSafe 2.0 technology, which includes spark-proof connection and reverse polarity protection to help make jump starting safer and easier, even for beginners. It also has a high-voltage design with a 60-second timer to conserve battery power and can deliver up to 18 jump starts per charge. Another useful feature is fast USB-C charging. It can fully recharge in about 2.7 hours, and even when the unit is completely dead, it can gain enough power for one jump start in around 5 minutes. The GBX 155 is not only a jump starter, it also works as a portable power bank with 60-watt USB-C power delivery, so you can charge phones, tablets, laptops, and other USB-C devices. For night use or roadside emergencies, it includes a bright 500-lumen LED flashlight with 7 modes, including SOS and strobe. The Astro AI S8 Car Battery Jump Starter, a compact and portable 12-volt car jump starter made for emergency roadside use, daily driving, and travel. This jump starter delivers up to 1,500 amp peak current, which can quickly start low voltage or fully drained batteries, and it is designed for vehicles with up to 6.0 liter gas engines and 3.0 liter diesel engines, including cars, SUVs, pickups, motorcycles, lawnmowers, and other 12-volt vehicles. One of its useful features is the Smart Boost mode, which automatically detects the battery voltage. When the voltage is below 9 volts, the green indicator flashes and lets you press the boost button to start deeply discharged batteries. The Astro AI S8 also focuses on safety with 8 built-in protections, including reverse polarity, reverse connection, overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, overcharge, overdischarge, and short discharge protection, making it easier and safer for beginners to use. It is also a 5-in-1 multifunction tool, working not only as a jump starter, but also as a portable power bank and an LED emergency flashlight with flashlight, strobe, and SOS modes. The package also includes an original 10-watt quick charge, 5-volt or 3-ampere wall charger, which helps protect the unit from overheating and charging-related damage. Overall, the Astro AI S8 is a practical and affordable emergency car tool for USA drivers who want a small, easy-to-store jump starter for car battery problems, roadside emergencies, camping trips. Wolfbox 4000A Jump Starter, a powerful portable 12-volt car battery booster made for drivers who want strong emergency starting power, fast charging, and useful roadside features in one compact device. This jump starter comes with a large 88.8 lithium-ion battery and delivers up to 4,000 amps, making it suitable for 12-volt vehicles including cars, trucks, boats, and larger vehicles with gas or diesel engines under 10 liters. One of the best features is the clear HD LCD display, which shows important status information so you can check the battery condition and use the device more easily during emergencies. It also supports 65-watt USB-C fast charging with a Type-C input and output port, plus a QC 3.0 USB-A port, so it can recharge quickly in about 1.3 hours, and also work as a power bank for phones, tablets, laptops, and other travel devices. For low-voltage battery problems, the Wolfbox 4000A includes a one-touch boost function, helping start vehicles when the battery is too weak for normal starting. It also has a built-in LED flashlight with SOS, strobe, and high beam modes, which can be very helpful for nighttime roadside emergencies, camping, and power outages. Automotive Jump and Carry JNC 660, a heavy-duty 12-volt portable jump starter built for drivers, mechanics, garage users, and roadside emergency backup. This model delivers 1,700 peak amps and 425 cranking amps, giving it strong starting power for many vehicles, including passenger cars, trucks, vans, RVs, tractors, ATVs, lawnmowers, buses, and watercraft. Inside, it uses a 22 amp-hour Chlor Proformer battery, which is designed specifically for reliable jump-starting performance, especially when you need quick power for a weak or dead battery. One of the most useful features is the long 46-inch heavy-duty AWG cables, which give you better reach around different battery locations and make the connection process easier. The built-in voltmeter helps you check the charge status of the onboard battery, so you can know when the unit is ready to use or needs recharging. It also includes a DC outlet, allowing you to power 12-volt accessories in emergencies or while working on the road. The JNC660 has a durable, practical design with a carrying handle, making it suitable for keeping in a garage, service truck, workshop, or vehicle emergency kit. Overall, if you want a trusted, powerful, and simple jump starter,